Here in this problem, 9 to power x plus 9 to power x plus 9 to power x equals to 9. We have to find the correct value of x out of options which are a is minus 1, b 0.5, c is 0 and d is minus 0.5. To find the value of x, this equation can also be written as 9 is also equals to 3 to power 2, it becomes 3 to power 2 bracket power x plus 3 to power 2 bracket x 3 to power 2 bracket x equals to 3 to power 2. Here the equation is in the form of a to power m bracket n which equals to a to power m multiply n. So this equation becomes 3 to power 2x plus 3 to power 2x plus 3 to power 2x equals to 3 to power 2. Take 3 to power 2x is common, it becomes 3 to power 2x bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 to power 2. It becomes 3 to power 2x multiply this is 3 equals to 3 to power 1 equals to 3 to power 2. Here the equation is in the form of a to power n multiply a to power n which is equal to a to power n plus n. So this equation becomes 3 to power 2x plus 1 equals to 3 to power 2. In this equation on both hands the base is same as 3, so their powers also can be equated, so their powers becomes 2x plus 1 equals to 2. 1 goes this side, 2x equals to 2 minus 1. 2x equals to